What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video, for being subscribed. If you're not, click that subscribe button and become part of this family. If you never met me before, my name is Valentina. Nice to meet you. On today's video, as you guys can tell, it's super romantic. I wanted to do a tutorial, a makeup tutorial, showing you guys how to achieve this look that's super cute for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays all year. I know it's a little bit cheesy, but I'm just so into like the hearts, the pink. I don't know, I'm super girly, so I think this is the perfect holiday to shop and even get things that are just like extra cute without looking extra young, if that makes any sense. All right, so today we're going to be achieving this look. A lot of the products that I use on this makeup tutorial are from the brand Kaja. If you guys are not familiar with Kaja, Kaja is a Korean brand that they carry in Sephora. I'm obsessed with them. They did send me a PR package. This video is not sponsored by them, but I love their products so much that I decided to use it for this tutorial. Love their products. I'm going to be featuring a lot of their products that I received that they sent me. Some of them obviously I decided to use just because I think their theme or a lot of their products fits right into the whole Valentine's Day thing. Look at this little lipsticks that I received that had the little heart, so I had to feature them on this look or in this tutorial. I have plans to upload maybe another tutorial for the Valentine's Day week. Love, like I mentioned earlier, this week. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do it before Thursday, because obviously Thursday is Valentine's Day, which will be I think tomorrow if I'm uploading this today. All right, so let's just get started. I'm talking way too much. As usual, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification. Yeah, the notification bell to receive any notification when I do upload a video. You guys know I'm like not as consistent as I would like to be here on the channel, so you do have to ring that bell so you guys know when I upload a video. And I think that is it. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be grabbing is this Kaja trio. It's a bouncy trio. I think it's called bouncy trio. This one is called Sparkling Rosé. I love to use these shadows with my fingers just because I think they apply better. And I do use a brush to kind of blend out the edges, make sure everything is nice and blended as usual. So this is our first base. Then moving on to this highlighter. This is actually a face highlighter. It's called Toy Alien. It's also by Kaja. I'm going to apply this in the center of the lid just to kind of create a soft halo eye. Not really, but really. And then now moving on to again to the Sparkling Rosé and the light color. I'm just going to intensify the inner corner. Now grabbing the darker shade of the same trio, we're just going to start intensifying the outer corner and then keeping the color right on the fold of the crease. We're just going to also intensify that area just to give extra definition to the eye. This is pretty much what makes the eye look. And I'm also going to run that along the lash line, the bottom lash line. Now grabbing that same highlighter, we're just going to highlight our brow bone. And then now moving on to the glitter. It's been a while since I haven't used glitter. I decided to use a purple one today for the whole Valentine theme. And what I'm gonna do is I just sprayed my little detail brush with some Fix. I think I used the Pixie one. And I'm just grabbing the glitter and applying it in the inner corner. And I also applied some lashes. I usually don't do it on camera, but I decided to include a clip. Now for foundation, today we're using Fenty Beauty foundation. You guys know this is one of my favorites. It's matte, it lasts super long, and it doesn't really cake up on my face. I do tend to overhydrate my skin before I apply this foundation, but I love the finish. I really do think it's very flattering for my skin. Now moving on to concealers. I have two Kaja concealers. I think one is called Sweet Toast and then Fortune Cookie. Fortune Cookie being the lighter one for highlight, and then Sweet Toast to conceal. Love the formula of this concealer. It's probably my favorite one at the moment. Now grabbing the Stamp Blush by Kaja again. I told you guys I'll be using a lot of those products on this tutorial. I'm just gonna stamp a little heart on my cheeks, and we're gonna blend this out with the same beauty blender that we used to put our foundation on, just because it does have a little residue of the foundation, so I like how it just kind of washes a little bit the color of the blush, and it just gives you a really young and natural look to the cheek. To bring a little bit more brightness to the under eye area and also set our concealer, I use this compact powder. It's a translucent powder by Rimmel, and I'm also going to use this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to just define my cheeks a little bit more, contour my nose, and then just bring more bronze to the look. I look a little pale. For the lips, I decided to use one of the Kaja lip glosses, the new ones. I think these are called Heart Melter. I wasn't sure if to use the pink one or the red one. I went for the red one because I love the contrast between pink and red. I don't know what it is. I just love it. So I decided to apply this one. Love the formula of these lipsticks or lip glosses. They're super pigmented and so hydrated. Now moving on to highlighter, I'm also going to be trying this roller highlighter by Kaja. Super natural. It's almost like a balm, so it does make you feel like hydrated. I don't know, it's like a different feel. I want to do a special video just on that product. This is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it's very romantic and cute. Alright guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Then let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see a specific review of one of the products that I used today from the brand, or even if it's not from the brand. I would love to do a review for you guys more in detail. I think that is it. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget that Valentine's Day is not only to celebrate love as a couple, you can also celebrate self-love and treat yourself to something nice, or even stay home and watch Netflix and just like eat some nice things, whether it's popcorn or something sweet, depending on what you like to eat. Valentine's Day can be celebrated even if you're not in a relationship. Keep that in mind. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.